Attention is temporary. Respect must be earned. And value can never be ignored. Most people spend their lives trying to be noticed. The smartest people, they become useful. Because when you become irreplaceable, the world starts looking for you. Likes disappear. Applause fades. Trends change. But real value lasts. Many people want to look successful. Few people work to become valuable. They spend hours building an image instead of building skills. But image without ability eventually collapses. That's why disciplined people invest in what nobody sees. Knowledge, practice, experience. Because real value never goes out of style. Money follows value. Opportunities follow value. Respect follows value. If you solve difficult problems, people remember you. If you become reliable, people trust you. If you continue improving, people can't replace you easily. Your greatest investment will never be the latest trend. It will always be the skills you carry. Wherever you go, don't beg for recognition. Earn it. Don't chase opportunities. Prepare for them. Every hour you spend learning is another brick in your future. Every disciplined day separates you from the average. Eventually, your work becomes impossible to ignore. Not because you demanded attention, because your excellence demanded respect. Reputation isn't created overnight. It's built one decision at a time, one promise kept, one challenge solved, one disciplined action. Repeated consistently, people begin to associate your name with quality, with reliability, with excellence. And once that happens, you no longer need to convince anyone. Your reputation speaks before you do. Don't compete to be accepted. Compete to become exceptional. Raise your standards. Study more. Practice longer. Stay humble. Keep improving. Because average people compare themselves to others. Exceptional people compare themselves to their own potential. That's why they never stop growing. The goal was never to become famous. The goal was to become valuable. Because fame can disappear. Attention can. But value creates opportunities again and again. So keep learning. Keep improving. Keep building skills. Because one day, people won't remember how loudly you spoke. They'll remember how valuable you became. Become the person who is difficult to replace. And success will eventually find you.